Gold is down today. Gold has dropped around 0.7% to, I think, $4,705. Now, futures is also lower. They're around 4,720 range, I think. So what does that tell us? The market is under selling pressure today. Obviously, oil is spiking, there's inflation fears, and yeah, that turns gold pretty bearish. The oil is trading above $100 a barrel. That is driven by the US and Iran tensions and also supply concerns. We're seeing it in Europe already, stocking up on things. So higher inflation expectations means that we're going to have a delay in rate cuts, and that's going to be bearish for gold, guys. So the interest rates are the real driver at the moment. The market expects the Fed to delay the rate cuts. So the probability of rate cuts is falling, which means higher rates equals lower gold demand. And then obviously the geopolitical tension is not helping gold. Iran's tensions are escalating. Ships are being seized. The conflict risk is rising. And obviously conflict normally equals gold going up. But then why is gold is still falling? So what does that tell us? The market is ignoring fear and focusing on rates plus USD, the dollar. So the market is volatile, plus we are range bound. So analysts who are warning us on gold we're staying below resistance areas and we're at risk of a further downside, potentially to $4,640. Now, this recent moves are driven by the dollar shifts, bargain hunting, and obviously the drops that are happening. So what does that mean for us as traders? It is not a clean trend. It is extremely choppy conditions. Now, what matters for us in trading today? My bias is still bearish. I'm still looking for sells. The reason why? Inflation fears are rising, rate cuts are being delayed, gold is dropping. So here is my execution plan for today. I'm looking for sell setups on pullbacks. I'm going to avoid chasing buys. I'm going to expect fake outs, sharp reversals. So these are the key lessons that I'm taking away today. Gold is not following fear, it's following interest rates. So my bias is bearish. Gold is going to fall to the $4,700 area. I'm going to look towards what's happening with oil, and also take into consideration the inflation fears and obviously the rate cuts. So that means there's a strong macro pressure. Geopolitics not pushing gold up, the market is volatile plus extremely range bound. So my advice is focus on sells, wait for confirmation, and avoid over trading. Only clean setups from key levels.